Hey everyone, it's Lauren Messiah and it's time for your Messiah Minute. Most people don't know this and it blows my mind, but when you have like pills and little balls on your sweaters, there is a solution, my friends. Enter the sweater shaver. Oh, I wanted it to make the sound, but the battery's dead. This will get all of those pills and whatnot off of your sweaters. Now, if you don't have one of these, they sell them at Bed Bath & Beyond and on Amazon. You can also just use a regular razor and just gently shave your sweater. So no need to throw in the towel on those pilled up sweaters because they can look as good as new in just a couple of minutes. That was your Messiah Minute, and I will see you all in the next video.
Lauren Messiah.
So, I'm Lauren Messiah. Hello.
Here, I took a oversized Dodgers jersey, which is for a man.
Yeah.
Put a belt over it
Look
and
at that.
some heels. We have just brought sexy back
Yes, you have.
to the Dodgers. So, you know.
I mean, the Puig jersey has never looked so good.
Like this.